Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. This video is the second part, the concluding part of our OKX Cryptopedia participating in the Over Protocol Testnet. So when you claim your tokens from your wallet, come back to your wallet section. Make sure you are in the wallet section and then scroll down your assets. Then you're going to see manage asset. You're going to see this. Click it. Once you click it, wait for it. Then on this search bar, simply click search for over, OVER. Now you are going to see Over Testnet. Look at it. Simply touch this plus sign. That's it. So Over Testnet has been added to your wallet. Go back, then scroll down, and you can see over here. So you can say I have 30 now. So the instruction is that we must do at least this transaction daily. Whatever we have claimed, we have to send it to our Over wallet. So if we come back to our Over wallet, this is just below your username. Copy your wallet address, then come back to OKX wallet, then click on the Over and then click on send. Now paste the wallet address you've copied and then click confirm. It will ask you how many you want to send. So I want to send 29.5. okay, and then I'll click next. So it will calculate everything. I'll click confirm, then put in my password or my biometrics, wait for it, sending. So now that it has shown sent, just drag it down to refresh it, and then you're going to have it. So that means it is sent. Now we'll go back to our wallet, Over wallet, and then just refresh also and wait for some time. Okay, you can see the 29 has arrived. So we can go ahead to stake what we have. So come to staking, click top up, and then available, just touch it, and then next, slide this, so you can see that it has been done. So let's come back to staking and see. Okay, see it has increased, so the staking has been done. And so you do this daily. Don't forget to claim your OVO token here and also claim from the OKX wallet. Send it over and keep staking. So it is an instruction that you must perform this daily task. Make sure you do it daily.